So 8 plus 2 equals 9.
8 plus 2 equals 9. Okay. Do you have another strategy? You agree? Or agree you do like this? Or you have another different answer? You do like this. Let's see, Morgan. What do you think?
10.
How do you know it's 10?
8.
8 plus what?
8 plus 2. If you count the number 8.
Okay, good. So you don't count on. So Morgan using count on to get to 10. Somebody said agree. Do you have any other strategy? I know it's 10 or 9. So anyone who can tell me another strategy? Yes, you have another strategy?
You do 2 plus 8.
2 plus 8 is 10. Okay. Oh, you have four ways? Okay, go ahead. How do you know it's 10?
You got that one. You got 9 plus 1. You got 7 plus 3 and 10 plus 0.
7 plus 3, 10 plus 0. Yes, to make 10. Yes, that could be one thing to get to 10 other than 2 plus 8. I love that. I love that strategy. Now let's do like 2 plus 2 plus 8. Isaiah, do you have a strategy?
Yes, I do.
Okay, go ahead.
1 plus 5 plus 4 equals 10 because you know how 5 plus 5 equals 10, but
Okay.
instead had 4 and added 1 more.
I love it. So
And
you
it
have,
makes 10.
it makes 10. Wonderful. I love that you think different ways to make 10. Now,
So you have 1 plus 9. Then you take 1 away from the 9. Then you get 8. Then you add the one that you took away from the 9 to the other one. That makes 10. And then you add 2 more. That makes 12.
oh, so you think this is 12? Okay. So that's the way to make 12? Okay, you said, what was that again, Zachary? You have 9 plus 1, and then you said add 2 more to make 12? Okay. Alright, so now, what is your strategy? I'm thinking about how could I solve this problem right here? Shanice, do you have a strategy to tell me how could I solve that equation right here? Let's look at that equation right here.
So I know 2 plus 8 equals 10. I know 10 plus 4 equals 10. So 8 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12.
Okay, so you did 8 plus 2 plus 2 equals 12. I love it. So you know that 4 plus, okay, that's your equation. Good job. So you know 8 plus 2 equals 10. And plus 2 is 12. Okay.
Is 8, 7.
Very good. Ooh, I love it. So you know your doubles. You have 8 and 8. You know that 8 and 8 equals 16. And you had 2 more equals 18. Do you have any other strategy other than this? Alright, Jaden.
So 2 plus 8 plus 8.
Okay, 2 plus 8. What is 2 plus 8?
This one. 2 plus 8 is 10, and then you add another 8.
Ooh, I love it. Good job. Everybody kiss your brain.
Oh,
So
yeah!
that would be our math. So I love that strategy. So now, we're gonna talk about how many ways we can make our number. So, what we're gonna do is and the other group will have 20. So, what we're going to do is you're going to think of different ways you can make that number in your group. But you're not going to repeat the answer. If someone has that equation or if someone has the answer, you're going to think another ways, another ways to represent that number. We're going to do it in 10 minutes and let's see which group has more ways to make a number. You ready? All right. So, the gray and the brown table will go together and you're going to think about it. For 10 minutes, let me see whose group will have more ways to represent the number. You have 10 minutes. The 10 minutes starts now. You're quiet and thinking your equation. Go ahead.
So, what are you doing?
Go ahead.
Okay, 3
Let me
plus
see.
7.
How many ways can you make 46?
That was wrong.
Okay.
We got to make it.
Well, I like how this table is working quietly and thinking. Oh, I love those strategies.
I love the group was very quiet and helping each other. Was participating.
We all got the same
Ooh, think another way. How many ways?
3.
Think another
Oh,
way.
we gotta do the most ways.
There's another way we can have the numbers. Okay. Think about how can we? Ooh, think about can we use another Can you use picture to make 46? Okay, think about it.
Oh, good.
What picture can you represent 46? Or what object?
Oh, I have
I'm
dead.
46.
I have nothing. I didn't even write the. No, it's not.
Ooh, I love that somebody used tally marks.
So 3 plus 4 is 10 to 20. Wait,
How do you make 46? How can you make 46? What two numbers that we can put together to make 46?
50 minus 40. I did 6 plus 40 equals 46.
All right, everybody give a 10-finger woo to this group. Woo! Good job. What are you working on?
Oh yes, 35.
Okay, 35. So read your group's answer.
My group's answer was 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5
I'm sorry, you're paying
equals
attention.
35. And 34 plus 1 equals 35. And 30 plus 8 minus 3 equals 35. 30 plus 6 minus 1 equals 35. 30 plus 7 minus 2, 35. 30 plus 5 equals 35. 40 minus 10 plus 5.
1 plus 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 1 equals 20.
Okay.
That's easy.
Okay, what else?
And 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20 plus 0 equals 20. 0 plus 20 equals 20. 100 minus 80 equals 20. And 21 minus 1 equals 20.
All right, give a 10-finger woo woo to this group. Woo! All right, so I'm gonna have one friend to take the mark.
And they were making sure that they understand what they're doing.
I love it. So everybody was working. And then they make sure that everyone understands, right? They make sure they understand. What else, boys and girls? What else, mathematician, that went well in your group? Anybody from other group? Yes, Kylie?
My group did a good job on their work
How?
because they put
How do you, why? Why did you say that they did a great job? In what way?
because they put they
In the
put
pocket.
Huh? How can you tell?
12 plus 12 equals.
Are they helping you? Okay. Good job. And because you're helping each other? Yes? I see that as well in your group.
No, 30. No, they saying that 36 equals 35.
I don't even know how to do that
When you
sound.
get something wrong
Mm-hmm.
and you don't get it right.
You don't get it. How are we going to react when we get mistakes? Especially in math.
Don't get mad. You just try again.
Try again, yes. Try again, and that's what you're learning. Try again and don't give up when you do group activities, right? Yes, September.
So when we're doing activities, you might, when the teacher asks you a question, you have to answer the question. It doesn't have to be correct. It doesn't have to be wrong. Just put like the best answer that you have.
Yes, very good. Do your best answer that you have. Wonderful mathematician. Now, when we do our work, yeah, you have another one? Go ahead.
No, but my hand was.
Oh, go ahead and get some. All right, so boys and girls, when we do our math work, and we do group math work, or we have math partners, let's look at the anchor chart that we are doing right now. If we have some mistakes, if we get wrong, or the equations get harder and harder, we don't give up. Mistakes are beautiful, right? Mistakes are beautiful, and it practice our what? That's
Like go like, I don't know how to do this, but like go like 20, 30, 40, 50.
Jasmine, Jace, and right here. Do not count. I just want you to look at here and tell me. I'll give you only 5 seconds. How many do I have without counting each of these blocks one by one? Jace, I want you to be here. Zachary.
I think 6 either.
How do you know?
Because
Always some guy who's
there
wrong with you know.
there's
Kylie, you need to be on your spot right now.
oh, it's actually 50.
How do you know?
There's 5, 10.